Okay, good morning children, back again with class 7 maths. Fractions, I think I did exercise 2A last time. Okay, now we are going to do exercise 2B, page number 42 of your prescribed textbook by the school. Okay, so this is multiplication. So I think the first one, number 1 is multiply. Okay, so the first one, 2 by 3 into 11. Okay, a simple multiplication. We cannot cross, see, we cannot reduce, we can only reduce this and this, or this and this we cannot reduce. So we'll have to compute 2 11 is 22 upon 3. Okay, but if you have to give this in, as I told you, don't give answers in improper fraction format. This improper fraction, by doing a mixed fraction, it comes to 7 whole 1 by 3. Okay, this thing you should know by now. If you have any issues how to convert this into a mixed fraction, please let me know on WhatsApp or through my personal chat, because this takes time. I don't want to waste time. We have limited time to do video recording. Okay, so number 2 will be for homework, 2 and 5 will be for homework from question number 1. Now you go to question number 2. Question number 2 says find the product of. Okay, so 1 is 3 upon 5 into, now there are 3 fractions involved. See, whenever a fraction, when 2 fractions meet, and if the relationship between them is addition and subtraction, you need to find the LCM of the denominators and compute further. If 2 fraction meets and the relationship between them is multiplication, you will multiply the numerator or denominator and denominator. And if you can reduce the denominator and numerator directly like this or cross, you can do that also. If you have division, then it becomes a reciprocal. We will be coming to that when we do division. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so is there anything more that we can do out here? Can we cut 3 and 4? No. 3 and 7? No. So 3 3s are 9, 7 4s are 28. It is a proper fraction. You can leave the answer at that. Okay, now we go to question number 3. Question number 3 says find the value of. Find the value of. Okay, the first one is 3/4 of 32 kg. 3/4 of 32 kg. So how are we going to do that? We just, this off means multiplication. 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 8 3s are 24 kgs. Okay, so this is how you do it. Question number 2 and 5 will be for homework from question 3. Now we move on to question number 4. I have to rub this off because I need the space. Question number 4 says simplify. Okay, the first one is 2 whole 4 upon 5 plus 1 whole 3 upon 10 into 1 whole 1 upon 2. Is that 1 whole 1 upon 2? Yeah, in the book. Okay, so now we need to convert this mixed fraction to a improper fraction, all of them, then compute it further. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is 14 upon 5 plus 10 1s are 10 plus 3 is 10 1s are 10 plus 3 is 13 upon 10 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay, 5 and 10 you need to find the LCM, so LCM will be 10 only. If you don't know how to do that, please let me know in my personal chat, whatever. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 2 14s are 28 plus 10, 1 is 10, 1 into 13 is 13 into 3 by 2. So 28 plus 13 is 20, 38, 39, 40, 41 is equal to 41 upon 10 into 3 by 2. Okay, so I don't think so you can reduce anything out here. So 41 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So when you convert this into a mixed fraction, this comes to 6 whole 3 by 20. If you don't know how to do that, again I'm repeating it, please let me know. Question number 4 is homework. Okay, how many minutes? So question number 4 is homework. 6. Okay, now we will move on to question number 6 now. Question number 6 says write down the reciprocal of. Okay, so what is the first one? The first one, the reciprocal is 3 by 5. You have to, reciprocal means turn it around. The numerator becomes the denominator, the denominator becomes a numerator. So 5 by 3. Okay, so that's the reciprocal, right? So this is an improper fraction. Again, we'll convert this. I don't know whether it's the answer in the book, but by my standards, I don't like it this way, so it's better to present it this way. Unless and until the question says, you can write it in a improper fraction format. Okay, so you will do number 2 and 3 as homework. Okay, now let's go on to number 7. I'll have to rub this. Number 7 states divide. Okay, so now when we come to divide, as I told you, in division you have to find the reciprocal. Okay, so let's see how we go about it. So the first one is, as I teach, I'll explain, you should understand. 20 divided by 1 by 5. Okay, now so this actually means 20 upon 1 upon 5, which cannot be done in maths. It's nearly impossible. So what you can do is 20, change the division sign into multiplication sign. What happens? This turns into a reciprocal. Okay, reciprocates basically. So it becomes 5 upon 1. Okay, so 20 upon 20 into 5 is 100 upon 1. Here the answer is written as 100. Okay, so you will do question number 3 as homework. Now we move on to question number 8. Question number 8 states find. Okay, so find. Question number 1 is 5 by 8 into 1 whole 1 by 2 divided by 15 upon 16. Okay, so this is 5 by 8. Convert this into an improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 15 by 16. So I will not jump the step. I could have done directly, converted, reciprocated this fraction. Okay, so let's bring it to that only. 5 by 8 into 3 by 2 into 16 by 15. So we can cut. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 and 2 cuts, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So this will be 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so it should come down to that. So number 4 is homework. Now we will go on to number 9, the last question, and after that we end this exercise also. So 9 is simplify. Okay, so the first one is given as 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Okay, now bottommost rule comes. What do you do first? 2 by bracket of division. What is BODMAS? Bracket BODMAS. Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So what do we have first? Off. So we'll do off first, then only we'll do addition. Okay, so 2 by 3 of will be, next step will be 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 plus 4 by, upon 5. 3 and 3 cancels, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we have 1 1s are 1, so this will be 2 plus 4 by 5. Okay, so it comes down to that. Now 5 and 2 LCM will be 10. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, plus 5 2s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 5 is 13 upon 10. Okay, we have to convert this into a mixed fraction. It comes to 1 whole 3 upon 10. This becomes your final answer. Okay, you will do number 4 as homework, and number 9 you'll be doing it as homework. I'll be doing number 7 for you. Okay, so I'm going to rub all this so that it doesn't confuse you. Number 7, and this is the last sum for this exercise. Okay, number 7 stays 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by into 2 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 divided by 1 whole 1 by 4. Okay, so let's just convert all this first. So this is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 divided by 4 in the 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. Okay, so all the mixed fraction has been converted. Now we will change this. Okay, let's not compute it directly, we'll change that. So this becomes 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 into reciprocates 4 by 5. Okay, I think now we can whatever we can cut, we can cut. The rest, I think 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 and 5 does not go there. Okay, now let's come down to then we need to multiply 3 by 4 plus 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4 minus, I think we can compute out here also. Okay, so 2 and 2 also cancels out here. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, right? So 5 3s are 15. So it's come down to this. I'll move this sum this side since there's no space on the board. Okay, so 4 4 and 15, the LCM comes to 60. So 4 and 60 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 50. No. Stupid mistakes. So 4 15s are, okay, so 15 3s are, it should be 15 3s are 45. Okay. 15 into 3. Okay, so that comes to 45 out here. Then plus 4 15s are, okay, and 15 into 5 75. Okay, then thereafter we have 15. If 15 folds are, most probably it's 60. Okay, so 15 folds are 60 minus 15 folds are 7 folds are, it should come to 28. Okay, so we have 45, 75 and 28. This comes to 120 minus 28 upon 60. Okay, so after that we have 120 minus 28 is 92 upon 60. Okay, so you can reduce it further, 23, 15. Okay, so that comes to 23 upon 15. And we convert it into a mixed fraction, it comes as 1 whole 8 upon 15. So you will be doing number 9 also as homework. With that we come to the end of exercise 2b. We'll be doing 2c in the next part of the video. Thank you, children.